Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "It is Muhammad's practice." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Sawafan" means in standing posture. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 5 units of Zuhr in Medina Munawwara and 2 units of Asr at Zul Hulayfa. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam spent the night there. When the morning dawned, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted his mount and pronounced La ilaha illallah and Subhanallah. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam climbed up to Baida, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam pronounced Talbiyah for both Hajj and Umrah. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded the people to take off the ihram. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sacrificed 7 standing camels with his own hand and slaughtered 2 horned piebald rams in Medina Munawwara. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1714.